front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9 and today I would like to show you how you can manage location. Begin by going into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is grey, which means that location is disabled. To enable it, click on the same tile one more time. If you wish to, you can also go into Devices Settings and after scrolling down, hit Location section. Then tap on this switcher at the top to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!